Hi, this is Patrick from Munich-Ai. Today we have a new video with the first inside look of the new Smart DCA Profit Hunter. So this is a strategy most of our customers use. This is like a powerful tool you will have on TradingView and set your strategy with a lot of different settings to get the best results and the first entrances for base and safety orders. The last video I've made was a couple of days ago, or was like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. But since then, I've got a lot of messages, new customers who wanted to get this first bot. So the last video was about, getting first finally your DCA bot. Please check it again if you haven't seen it, because it's really interesting and shows like mainly the Smart DCA Profit Hunter and its functions. So in this video, as I said, I want to give you an inside look in the new Smart DCA Profit Hunter. But at first, have a look on my website. So if you haven't visited Munich-Ai.com, please do so. We're offering consulting, trading, consulting. If you haven't been in touch with crypto at all yet, we help you by everything, setting up an exchange, buying, swapping, and so on. And also trading, which is like a biggest part of us, helping you set up the first trading bot, showing all the settings, getting familiar with DCA bots and strategies, Pine scripts, and everything we're offering. So that's it, what we are doing in general, but there's more if you just join our Discord channel. So here on the top left, you can join Discord, YouTube. On YouTube, you can even check all the videos. And please contact us. You can even click here on Let's Chat or come directly to Discord. Okay, let's switch over to TradingView, because on TradingView I wanted to show you like our strategy. So most of the people know the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, which is our strategy where you can like set up the best settings for your trading days and for your trading bots. And this strategy has everything implemented. We programmed them for now, like the basic settings of DCA, reinvest, the RSI for the base and safety orders. If you don't know what all these settings are, you can watch the last video. I quickly explained there most of the settings. We have like the QFL indicator, ultimate oscillator, and RSI for sell. So but of course, if a lot of times if I'm using it, I'm coming to the limit of my needs. So, and therefore I was a lot of time already in the past thinking about to make this tool more powerful and even quicking reactor and more accurate. So therefore, the only possibility was starting from the scratch using some open source code for sure. But in general, I started to reprogram the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, and it was 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, long time ago. I started already, and now I give you like a first inside look what is possible with the new Smart DCA Profit Hunter. So therefore, let's remove this one, open the new one, and for now you don't see much. The table I will release soon. But you will see some trades over here and so on. But the most interesting things which are happened are in the settings. So, and in general, the basic settings are the same. We have like the base order, safety order, take profit, max safety trades counts, price deviation, and this is our functions we usually know and we are familiar with. But then we have like a deal end type. This is take profit or sell indicator. So we can sell on indicator or directly take profit. We choose an indicator, and there comes the first new thing. So if you want to use an indicator for sale, you can use any indicator you want. So there's like a close, and if you click on it, it's like a standard things from TradingView. You can choose like different indicators. These are indicators I have programmed. So if you're getting or coming to the Munich-Ai Traders Club, you will get the new strategy soon and all the indicators coming along with. So there's like an RSI and the ultimate oscillator, for example. And then we have the first part, which is like the base order part, which starts from here until here. And here we're setting up all the conditions we want to have for a base order. Let's say, firstly, do we want to start with a base order as soon as possible or with an indicator? That's the first question. Let's say indicator. Then how many indicators I want to use for the base order? We can choose up to 3. start with 1 first, let's say. So and then we choose like the indicators itself. So the first, the second, and the third. And therefore, we have like the indicators here. I will, after this explanation, show the indicators itself with the settings. And then you can say, okay, oh, sorry, let's do yes. So 2 indicators, because I have ultimate oscillator here and RSI. Because if I choose 2 indicators, let's say here, RSI base order and the ultimate oscillator, then you can say, do I want the first and the second indicator combine with AND or with OR? So if I use AND, we're only getting a base order signal if both are true at the same time. Yeah. So this is an AND. If I say OR, then it says RSI or ultimate oscillator, and then you will see you're getting much more trades, which is obvious. And then I put back to AND. And this you can also do like with the combine with the third one. And then let's go to the safety order, which is like exactly the same. Starting from here until here, we're starting with a safety order. Do I want to have it as an external safety signal? So all the safety order signals using first like the downfall of the price deviation at step scale, and then we're waiting for an indicator. Or do I want to do it like without any indicator, so only from the percentage? So we choose external safe indicator, and then we use the first one, yes, and the second one, yes. Here's like a typo. Of course, we need 1, 2, 3. But now for the safety order, I use yes, yes, because in this example, one for the safety orders also use 2. And then we also choose, let's say, safety order for the RSI and ultimate oscillator. So at the same time, and or. And when you use or, this is the first one which comes along getting used. So yeah, that's it. So this is here we have like a limit time range and not so many functions else, because this is all we implemented it. So this is a really, really powerful tool. And I want to give you examples. For example, here we have like an RSI and the ultimate oscillator, and then you see only when both are true, we're getting the signal. If you want to change it, or let's make them first visible, if you double click on the white screen somewhere, you can hide the indicators if you don't know, because then it's better to see. So let's, for example, I will show you now the RSI. So the basic problem, I thought, okay, what should I do if I have like up to 3 indicators for base and 3 for safety? Most of the people outside cannot use all of them because they have a lower TradingView subscription, which makes them impossible to use all of them at the same time. So therefore, I needed to find a solution. And I started to program the RSI from the scratch, used some, of course, the standard calculations. But then I made an RSI indicator where you have like the 3 signals and 1 indicator. If you double click on it, you can see you have like use base order, use safety order, and use cell settings. And therefore you will see, for example, if I deactivated it, it will hide the blue dots here. Now you get an error because I connected it with a strategy. But if I use base order, you will see the blue dots, which are like the crossing up. Now it's 1 hour. Let's put it to 15. And then you have higher, lower. This will appear for you and lower. And use it for the base order. You see the dots where the buy signals are. And you also will see, if I put this on a different level, the blue line where the area is where we get the signal. Then we also have the safety signal, which is like the green ones, safety order signal. No, sorry, the orange ones, which are happening here. So therefore, you will see even for the safety order signals, what you choose, crossing up, crossing down, and then you will see this will move maybe to the left here by crossing down, normally crossing up, we check. Oh, there's crossing up. Okay, there was a crossing down. And you will directly in orange see where the safety orders are. And for the cell signals, you will see the dots here on top because, for example, we used our function crossing down. So this is also pretty cool. But this is the RSI you can directly use, and when you want to use it in the Profit Hunter, the new one, you choose, let's say for the safety order, external signal, and then yes, how many you want to use, and then you choose the indicator, and you only will use the Munich-Ai base order, safety order, sale setting. The RSI lines is just a graphics here I can remove, so they appear here also. So these are like the ones you want to use. And I also implemented the ultimate oscillator. You will also see like there's like small green dots. If you want, you can also make them bigger here. Yeah, and then you will see where the entrances are for the ultimate oscillator if you want to combine it. And then also, just a second, I need to remove the indicators. Blah, blah. We have two others more. Sorry. Click. Move them. And then you go to Munich-Ai, you go to MACD we have and QFL. So also if you want to use, for example, MACD, you need to use MACD. And then what's pretty cool, you can have like a signal source, which is like the signal line. So by crossing up, crossing down as a news function, and which is also pretty cool, I implemented is the histogram color change. So if we changing from red to green, yeah, or from green to red, you can get the buy signal for the MACD. So you can also use the MACD for selling, buying, and so on. This is the other option. Or we have like the QFL indicator, and this one is also pretty nice because you need to put like I put the fractals down. That's only the buy signal, and then you say use the QFL indicator. If you put it on, I don't know, 5.5, it's just quite safe signals. You can even say on the Smart Profit Hunter, use one indicator. Let's use it, for example, only the QFL buy signal plot. Yes, no, no. Here you say use indicator, yes, no, no. And then we also use the QFL for the safety orders, yeah, which is something which is not working or not available in e-commerce. I checked it, which is pretty cool as well, because this is also like a so much safe strategy you can use. You will never see the strategy or sticking long time in position. Yeah, it always gives you the lowest entrance. Here's a bit longer, but even not with all the safety orders you have. So which is also like a pretty nice strategy. So yeah, these are basically the biggest changes from the strategy. We implemented it. So this is really, really nice. For example, also, I don't know if I can quickly show you if I go on community, do I have somewhere another strategy? So I don't know, I not used like looks algo, if somebody knows that. Data flow profile. Just to show you that every strategy you want, if it's like an indicator, then it will also appear here. No, it's not. Maybe let's choose a different one. There's like a super trend, I think. I know this one a lot of people like, which like showing like signals like this I wouldn't use, but use it on a bit higher time frame, let's say daily. Yeah. Then you have here sell, here buy. I don't know if it's useful, but at the end, I just to show you an example, you say safety order condition. Oh, sorry, here safety order, and then it appears, yeah, uptrend, downtrend. You can also use it as a safety order indicator. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you like it. I hope you like the new functions. Also, if you also need some functions you want to have implemented in the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, please let me know. Come to our Discord. And for all the people who firstly want their first bot and have installed, go to our website, go to the shop, and then DCA settings and installation. Yeah, here, if you buy this, I will help you setting up standard settings in e-commerce, for example, in Binance, and also If you like the Elite Traders Club, to get the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, join us, which is when you click here, having all the indicators inclusive. If you want to have special indicators like in combinations, just let me know. I will implement it really quick, also for the Elite Traders Club and Smart DCA Profit Hunter. That's it for now. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you soon on my Discord and contact me. So have a nice evening and bye-bye.